Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of too many operations on the application of Gemini. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Gemini and you will click here. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.